This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 62 Nova convertible, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree. Nice driving little car. Runs good, runs really smooth, goes down the road nice. I mean, even on a windy day, it's pretty quiet in there for an older convertible. That's pretty good because it's pretty nice and tight. They were cruising 60 miles an hour. Got an oil pressure gauge over there. Suspension pretty good and tight. Like I said, this is a nice driving little car. Said good RPMs for cruising down the road, 60 miles an hour. Like I said, I'm not even touching the steering wheel, and even on a windy day it goes straight. So really, really nice driving car. Shift's nice, clutch works good. You can also see the video of it running. We go through everything that works and doesn't work. So it's had a repaint, so it looks good. I think the top's new, so I think you can just buy this and drive it and have some fun with it. So any questions? 605-695-7391.